today's Treat Tuesday recipe, I'm going to be making vegan bounty bars. So what you're going to need is some desiccated coconut. I've got some vanilla vegan Happy Whey protein, some plain coconut yogurt, some rice malt syrup, however you can use whatever liquid sweetener of your choice is, some vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and I've got some melted vegan chocolate. So to make this recipe, I'm simply going to add the dry ingredients into the food processor. So starting with the coconut protein powder and the salt, blend that together, and then I'll add the wet ingredients, the coconut, rice malt syrup, and vanilla extract. Blend that until the consistency becomes nice and firm, and then I'm going to mold them into little bounty size bar portions, and then place that on a baking tray and put it into the freezer for about 45 minutes to set. Once they're set, I'm going to coat them in the melted chocolate and then place them back into the fridge or freezer to set for a bit longer, and then they'll be ready to serve.